I don't think so. I think the momentum remains because the big surprise, if you look at where we're at in earnings season, is we do not have a recession in earnings. And we printed that 3.2% GDP, which is also an upside surprise. And the tone on policy, I mean, here at the Milken Conference, practically every government department is here talking about their vision of the next 18 months. And, you know, the assumption, and I may be wrong about this, but I'm not that worried about policy changing in the next election cycle. We've got a fantastic economy, and we've got amazing unemployment numbers, and generally presidents don't lose when they have those two things. Given that, I think we're not in the eighth inning. I think we're more like in the sixth. And these are new highs, but they're just a number. I think earnings are going to continue to be very good, and I think this market continues to go north, both small and large cap, domestic. And if we get that Chinese trade deal in the next couple of months, that's another engine booster rocket on the large cap S&P stocks.
I'm sort of interested, Kevin, that you just said sixth inning, not eighth inning, because so many strategists we talk to here on CNBC say late cycle, you know, last leg of the recovery. What are you seeing that's different?
Well, what's different is here we have an incredible growth story at 3.2 with virtually no inflation. I don't think the Fed understands this cycle the way other cycles in the past have worked. You would have started to see some creep in inflation significantly higher than where we are now. So all of these calls for lowering the Fed rate are going to go unanswered because I don't think the Fed understands what's happening. Most of those who watch the Fed don't understand what's happening. And yet we're getting it. We're getting great earnings, low unemployment, no inflation. What a marvelous environment to be an equity owner in. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. You got to change something before you tell me to sell a stock right now, not just because it's hit a new high. I don't care about that. I care about cash flow and earnings, and they're both fantastic.